Hello dear colleagues from the Academy. Hello to all fans of fast, sensitive rod tips. Today, I've got a very special rod on the table, and it's actually the first video I'm producing specifically for the Academy. So yes, it's an exciting moment all around. My approach was to apply a solid control technique. The idea was to splice the tip back together by integrating solid material from the front section and blending it in with the rest, much like a solid tip, combining sensitivity and durability. We're looking at a rod with a broken tip. Many of you know this situation well. You want to preserve the stiffness and action of the rod, but avoid using a standard solid tip. The customer specifically wanted to keep that fast tip feel, something that's really important in achieving quick action. However, the issue with this specific blank is that the diameter is so thick that I can't insert a reliable and long-lasting solid segment. It just wouldn't hold up over time and wouldn't be truly break-proof. So the only viable solution now is to replace the original tip with a full solid tip. I won't show that process in this video. It will be part of one of the next ones. I still need to discuss the final decision with the customer, who unfortunately isn't yet part of the Academy. To those of you watching who aren't yet in the Academy, come join us. We're posting new workshop videos every day, full of tips and tricks, and many of them have never been published elsewhere. So that was my first video, and while it didn't turn out quite how I envisioned, I might still record a second one today. We've already got some good footage, so expect something new in the Academy soon. With that, thanks for being here, stay tuned, and a warm welcome to everyone. Ciao!